Hello, in this video, we'll be walking you through some important steps to keep in mind as you create your video presentation for the online learning platform. Before you begin recording your presentation, be sure to have your presentation aids handy. They may include graphs, photos, quizzes, PowerPoint presentations, or other videos. These may be used to help you stay on topic and can be submitted along with your video presentation for your audience to access in the online learning platform. Please note that the American University Washington College of Law has a recording studio available for you to use. You can set up an appointment with your program coordinator to access the recording studio if you're in the Washington, D.C. area. If you're unable to record your video presentation on campus, then you should review the video recording guide for important tips on filming and submitting your video. Depending on the length of your course, you may need to record multiple video presentations. They may last up to or even more than an hour in length based on the information that you're presenting. You should consider breaking the information up into segments to allow breaks for yourself and your audience to take notes or review reference materials. Segments should consist of an introduction, explaining why the topic is relevant or important, a thesis statement or preview of the main points you'll be discussing, chronological subject matter, which may include relevant references and/or applicable legal texts, a review of your main points, and a conclusion or summary of your presentation. Be sure to dress professionally and to avoid wearing striped shirts or shirts that are the same color as your background. You may also want to avoid wearing red, as this color may be distracting to your audience. While recording, speak loudly and clearly. Speak at a normal pace and enunciate. Avoid using vocal fillers. You'll also want to avoid moving around too much, as it can be distracting. While setting up to record your video presentation, here are some technical points that you should keep in mind. Be sure to use a recording device that records in an MP4 format. Most smartphones, tablets, and webcams automatically record in this format. You should use a tripod or steadily secure the device in landscape or horizontal orientation to ensure the best video quality. Videos should be recorded in 720p, 1080p, or high-definition HD resolution. Recording should take place in a quiet and well-lit area. Avoid having too much clutter in the background. The space should be free of distractions and interruptions. Your desk or office library may be an appropriate area. Consider hanging quiet or do not disturb signs during recordings. Be sure to light your face and body uniformly. Bright lights behind you may cause your face to appear shadowed. Record a short 1-minute video to test your equipment and the setting. If the recording is too dark, consider turning on more lights. If the video appears blurry, consider using a different device. If your picture and sound are clear, then you're ready to start recording. Remember, the presentation should be informative and engaging. Allow for short breaks that your audience can use to take notes or look up reference materials. Check for understanding throughout the presentation by presenting questions, problems, or hypotheticals. You may consider including a short quiz that can be accessed and completed through the online learning platform. If you experience interruptions while recording, then you should be sure to stop the recording as soon as possible. Write down the precise time of the interruption that needs to be edited out by our technical support team. When you're ready to resume, start with the material that was interrupted. After you complete your presentation, you're ready to save your video file to your computer. If you recorded the video on a smartphone or tablet, you may need to plug the device into your computer in order to transfer the file. You should name the file something meaningful to your topic or the course and include your name. Now you're ready to submit your video and your presentation aids. After saving your video file as an MP4, upload it to the cloud. Services such as Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or iCloud allow you to save large files and share them with a link to the file. Video files cannot be emailed as an attachment. This is because their file size is too large and will not be received. Links can be emailed to av@wcl.american.edu. If you're unable to save your file to a cloud-based service, then you may save the file to a physical DVD. However, we're unable to return any physical submissions. DVDs can be sent to American University Washington College of Law, Please submit your videos and presentation aids at least 2 weeks in advance to allow for processing. We hope that you found this video to be helpful and informative. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact your program coordinator or the Office of Online Education for assistance. Thank you.